Welcome to JH. Today we are looking at the FungaBeam Nail Fungus Light, a device that claims to treat your toenails and fingernails using low-level laser therapy. It promises results in just 7 minutes a day with no drugs, no chemicals, and visible improvement in only 2 weeks. It sounds like a medical miracle, or perhaps just a very expensive flashlight for your feet. But before you get too excited, let's look at the first red flag. There, as seen on TV claims. The company insists they've been featured on CBS, USA Today, and NBC, yet they provide zero links, screenshots, or clips to prove it. Usually, when a brand hits the big leagues, they don't hide the evidence like a botched DIY project. If they can't back up a simple media claim, how can we trust them with our hygiene? The second red flag involves their product photos, which are about as original as a knockoff watch. Upon closer inspection, we noticed that many of these images were simply lifted from the internet rather than being taken by the brand itself. Apparently, hiring a photographer was too much of a stretch for their multi-million-dollar operation. When a seller relies entirely on stock images, it's a glaring sign they might not even have the real product in hand. It's hard to feel confident in a medical device when the company can't even manage a basic photo shoot without hitting Google Images. Moving on to the medical side of things, the website claims the device is 100% drug-free and FDA cleared. However, much like their media appearances, there are no certificates or documents to verify this. They even feature a professional-looking doctor recommending the device. But guess what? That doctor is actually a stock photo model who also appears on dozens of other unrelated websites. When your medical expert is literally a downloadable JPEG, you know the credibility is spread pretty thin. It's a bold move to use a fake doctor to sell a fake cure, but I suppose Stock Photo Man was the only one willing to vouch for them. The marketing tactics are equally manipulative, utilizing every high-pressure trick in the book. You'll see 50% off deals and countdown timers that magically reset every time you refresh the page. It's the digital equivalent of a going out of business sign that's been hanging in a window since 2005. These tactics aren't designed to build trust. They're designed to make you panic buy before you realize the doctor isn't real. Furthermore, while their own website boasts a perfect 4.8-star rating, the rest of the internet is suspiciously silent. There are no discussions on Reddit and no reviews on Trustpilot. Just avoid where actual customer feedback should be. In the end, FungaBeam is a collection of unverified claims, stolen photos, and imaginary medical endorsements. With no FDA proof and a marketing strategy based on manufactured urgency, this product simply doesn't seem trustworthy. There isn't enough real evidence to support anything they promise, and because of that, we honestly cannot recommend it. Unless you're looking for a very complicated way to waste your money, you're better off looking elsewhere. Thanks for watching, friends. If you enjoy honest, no-nonsense product checks, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support is the only thing here that isn't a stock photo.